In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Calendar appointment schedule and booking feature. This incredibly useful tool helps you streamline your scheduling process and easily manage appointments. First, you want to head over to Google Calendar, which you can find by simply searching for it on your preferred web browser. Once you've landed on the home page, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button, enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to go. Now that you're in your Google Calendar, look for the plus Create button. This button is your gateway to setting up appointments. Click it to start creating your new appointment schedule. A drop-down menu will appear from which you should select Appointment Schedule. This will bring up a new window where you can start entering details. In this section, you'll need to fill in specific information such as the name of your appointment and the duration you want each appointment slot to be. Think about how long your meetings typically take and choose a time frame that works best for you. The next step involves setting your general availability because you want others to book appointments when you're actually available. You'll see options like Repeat Weekly, allowing you to automate when your slots are available each week. This is particularly convenient if your schedule doesn't change much and you have set days and times for meetings each week. Don't forget to set your time zone. This ensures that both you and the person booking the appointment are on the same page regarding timing, especially if they're in a different time zone. Now, let's talk about the scheduling window. This is where you can adjust your settings according to your preferences. Take a moment to think about how far in advance you want people to be able to book appointments and make adjustments here. Once that's set, click on Calendars. Here you can manage your booked appointment settings to ensure everything lines up as it should with your existing calendar events. It's a good idea to review these settings to make sure there aren't any conflicts. Proceed by clicking on Next and customize your booking page photo and name. This helps give your booking page a personal touch. Add in any additional details that you feel are necessary. We're almost there. Head to the booking form section, where you can add more items if needed, such as fields for gathering more information from the person booking. Once the form is set to your liking, move on to booking confirmations and reminders. This is a great way to ensure both you and your invitees are reminded of upcoming appointments. Finally, click Save to secure all your inputs. The last step involves copying the link to your appointment schedule and sending it to your recipients. You can do this via email or any other channel that suits you. It's the perfect way to ensure everyone can access your availability and book appointments with ease. With these steps, you've successfully set up your Google Calendar appointment schedule and booking feature. Now you can enjoy a hassle-free way to manage appointments without constantly juggling your schedule manually. Happy scheduling!